teach CBSE 10th Maths. Hey guys, this is Tina. I teach CBSE 8th Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 12 Areas Related to Circles, Exercise 12.2, fourth question. Alright, now let's read the question. A chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding. The first subdivision is minor segment and the second one is major sector. So we are supposed to use the pi value as 3.14. Okay, so there is a circle which has a chord and the radius is 10 centimeter. Okay, and the theta, that means the degree is right angle. So here, whenever we have a word as right angle, remember guys. So whenever we have a word that is right angle, then the degree is always 90 degree. Okay. Alright guys. So now let us draw a circle to understand. Okay guys. So here we have a circle. Okay. So according to the question, we have a chord in a circle. Okay. So let us draw a chord. Since they mentioned chord, no, let us draw a chord. Okay. So this is the chord of the circle. Okay. So remember guys, this is the chord of the circle. Okay. So the radius is 10 centimeter. So since you guys know the circle has a center point, am I right? So let us take this as a center point. Then the radius will be this line, am I right? So here also. Okay. So here what is the radius? So I just drew two lines, right? So here we call this one as radius. Here also this one as radius. Okay. So that is 10 centimeter. Okay. So here also 10 centimeter. Okay. Alright guys. And then the right subtends a right angle at the center. So here, since you guys know this is the center, so in the center no, there is a right angle. Right angle means 90 degrees. So since you guys know this symbol, we use it for representing the 90 degree, am I right? So likewise we did it. So what are we supposed to find? We are supposed to find the area of the corresponding. That means we are supposed to find the area of minor segment and area of major segment. Okay. Okay. So what is the meaning of minor segment? So here in this question, no, this part. So here we have a gap here, right? I just marked it. I mean, I'm just painting that part. So this part, no, we call it as minor segment. Okay. So rest of the part, no, we call it as major segment. For now, here this is a minor segment. See the difference, okay? Major and minor, like that. Okay. So here this is a minor segment. So we are supposed to find this. How to find it? We have a formula. So since you guys know the formula is area of sector minus area of triangle, am I right? So in this figure, no, which is the sector? So here, no, I am just drawing, no, that is the sector. Okay, I am just marking it. Okay, so this one, no, the shape, I mean a piece of a cake, that is in the shape of a sector. Okay. Alright, so here this is a sector. So we are supposed to subtract this sector and triangle. So here let us name this triangle, that is A. So here center, of course you guys know it is O. So A O, and then here let us name it as B. So A O B. Okay. So we are supposed to minus area of sector minus area of triangle, that is triangle AOB. We are supposed to subtract them. Okay. So if you just don't understand, no, I am just explaining the formula here. Okay. What is that formula? So what is the formula for area of minor segment? So I will write it here. Okay. Area of minor segment. Okay. So what is the formula for area of minor segment? So the formula is area of sector minus area of triangle, that is So here we took triangle AOB, am I right? So this was the formula I was talking about, I was explaining about, okay. So here you can see area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. So here area of sector is this one, no, we call it a sector, and minus area of triangle, no, this one, okay. So that is triangle AOB, okay. So see, since you guys know the theta is 90 degree, so theta means, so here we have angle, right? So that one we call it as theta, and then radius is 10 centimeter. So now we can find the radius, now we can find the area of minor segment, am I right? So let us apply the formula. Okay, so what is the area of sector? So the area of sector is theta by 360 degree into pi r square minus, so area of triangle AOB. So here, okay, so here we have right triangle, am I right? Right angle triangle. So there is triangle AOB. So right angle triangle means which has 90 degree, am I right? So remember guys, so whenever we have 90 degree in a triangle, we are supposed to use this formula, that is half into base into height. So we are supposed to use this formula, okay. So now let us substitute the values. So what is the theta? So the theta is 90 degree divided by 360 degree into, so pi, what is the pi value? So we are supposed to use 3.14, and then into the radius, so here it is r square, so the radius is 10, am I right? So since here it is r square, let us write 10 into 10, okay, and then minus, so let us write this half as it is, into base. So what is the base guys? So here, since you guys know this is a, AOB, so this is a triangle, am I right? So here, one second, okay, so here, since you guys know this is the height of a triangle, am I right? So since we have 90 degree here, no, this red line I am just marking, no, that is the height of this particular triangle, and the base will be this one, okay. Remember guys, we are supposed to mark it with the angle, okay. So since we have angle here, no, this is the height and this is the base, okay. So the base is, this AO is the base, so the value is 10 centimeter and the height is also 10 centimeter, okay. So let us write then, so 10 into, so height is also 10 centimeter, okay. Alright, so now we can cancel the values, so now we can cancel the zeros, okay. So now we can cancel this 9 and 36, so 1 9 is 9, and then we get 36 in 4 table, okay. So we can take off the point, then it becomes 100, and then here we have 0 0, here also we have 0 0, let us cancel the zeros, okay. Alright guys, so that's all. Yeah, here also we can cancel it, so here we can cancel this 2, and then here that is 5, so 5 2s are 10, right? That's why, okay. So now finally we just cancelled those things, so now we have 314, that's all we have, right? Yeah, that's all. So let us write 314. One second, actually I would like to say something guys. So we can cancel this 4 and 314 in 2 table, okay. So now we can cancel it, so 2 2s are, it is 4, and then here it is 1 2 is 2, and balance 1 we have 11, so 5 2s are 10, so balance 1, here we have 14, so 7 2s are, it is 14. So now after cancelling, now we can't cancel this 2 table as well, am I right? So let us write 157 by 2. Why? Because we can't just cancel it, right? That's why. So and then we can write minus as it is. So here 1 into 5 is 5, 5 into 10 is 50. Okay guys. Okay, so now what we can do, now we can take LCM. So when we just take LCM, we get 157 minus 100. So after doing LCM, we get this value, okay. So after subtracting 157 minus 100, we get 57 by 2. Okay, so now we are supposed to solve 57 by 2. We are supposed to divide them. So when we divide them, no, we get 28.5. So centimeter cube or square. So here it is centimeter square. Why? Why? Because we found the area. That's why. So we found the area of minor segment. So now what we can do now, we can just find the next subdivision of this particular question. So we are supposed to find the major sector, am I right? So that is the second subdivision. So here let us find the major sector. So we are supposed to find the area of the major sector. So let us apply the formula. Okay guys, so this is the formula for area of major sector, that is 360 degree minus theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. Okay, so this is the formula. So now let us apply this formula and solve it. Okay, so let us write 360 degree as it is minus theta. So what is theta in this question? So theta is 90 degree and then divided by 360 degree into, so the pi value is 3.14 into r square. So radius is 10 centimeter. So since we have r square, it is 10 into 10. Okay, so now let us solve 360 minus 90 degree, am I right? So when we just subtract them, we get 270 degree minus 360 degree and then into 3.14 into 10 into 10. Okay. Alright guys, so now let us solve these two values. So okay, so now what we can do now we can solve these two values in 3 table, I guess. Yeah. No guys, let us solve directly in 9th table. It will be much more better, right? So 0 0 cancel and then 9 3s are 27 and then 4 3s are it is 36. Okay, so now let us take off the point. When I just take off the point, then it becomes 100. Am I right? So now we can cancel the 0 with these two zeros. Okay, so now we have 4. Am I right? So here we have 3 by 4 and then into 314. Rest of the things we cancel. So since we have 314, we can cancel it by second table. So we can cancel this 4 and 314 in second table. So let us cancel them. So 2 2s are 4 and then 1 2 is 2, balance 1, 5 2s are 10, balance 1, 7 2s are 14. Am I right? Yeah. And then now we are supposed to multiply 157 into 3. So what is 157 into 3? So the answer is 471. Okay. So and then 471 divided by 2. So 3 into 157 is 471 and then here we have divided by 2, right? I just wrote it as it is. So when you just divide this number, okay, so when you just divide 471 divided by 2, when you just divide them, we get 235.5. okay, so we get this value, and then so since this is our final answer, let us write centimeter square. Okay, so this is going to be our final answer. Okay, since we found the area now, it is centimeter square. Okay.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.